Hello lovely viewers, on today's video is about how to get firmer booms and round backs like Nadia Car plus size curvy model. Before I continue, please do well to like, share and subscribe to support our good work. Subscribing to this channel will just keep you updated but will never kill you. Nadia Car is an actress, model and Instagram star who is best known for her great looks and figure. She got recognition as she made her Instagram account where she posts her pictures in different outfits as well as shares her modeling content in short reels videos. This reels attracted a lot of popularity in recent years. She has more than 1 million followers on Instagram. Strategies for achieving firmer booms and round backs naturally inspired by Nadia Car without the need for surgical procedures or experiencing discomfort. Want to tone your bust and butt by working out your chest and glute muscles? You can get firmer booms and a booty to match. We'll walk you through the best, most effective exercise and diet for targeting these muscles so you can reach your body goals as quickly as possible. Let's get started. Let's start from how to get a round butt naturally like Nadia Car. There are a lot of products and workouts that help you to get round butts, but I want to show you the basics on how to get round butts faster and easily without spending a penny. There are two effective exercises for growing round butts, and the first one is squats. Research has made it clear that a squat is one of the best lower body exercises out there. Still, research stresses that it's important to have a good form, or else you can possibly get injured. To perform a squat correctly, stand with your feet shoulder width level. Either stretch out your arms straight in front of you or maintain them in a controlled position near your chest. Lower your butt towards the floor as if you were about to sit down on a chair. Aim to get your thighs parallel with the floor, but don't allow your knees to extend over your toes. Keep your back straight and your head up as you perform this exercise, and try to distribute your weight equally between your 2 feet. Slowly return back to the starting position, then continue for 8 to 10 repetitions. And the second one is lunges. According to research, lunges work multiple parts of your lower body, including your glutes. To perform them correctly, stand up straight, then take a large step forward with your right leg. Bend both of your knees until they form right angles. Don't allow your right knee to extend over your toes, or allow your left knee to touch the floor. As you lunge, keep your back straight and your head up. Also try to keep your stomach muscles contracted as you lunge to work your abs. Slowly step back to a standing position, then repeat. This time stepping forward with the left leg. Keep going until you complete 10 repetitions with each leg. The exercise we looked at was for only butts. Let's look at some major exercises that will help you grow firmer booms faster and easier. And one is push-up. Push-ups are a great chest exercise which will help to produce firmer pectoral, arm and shoulder muscles. To perform push-up correctly, get into plank position with your hands slightly more than shoulder width apart and your legs resting on the balls of your feet. Slowly lower yourself down to the ground by bending your elbows. Remember to keep your back straight and your stomach muscles sucked in. Raise yourself back up to the plank position, then continue for 15 to 20 more repetitions. If this exercise is too challenging, you can modify it by balancing on your knees instead of the balls of your toes. And number 2 is elbow squeeze. This is a simple exercise that works out the chest muscles. You will need dumbbells for this exercise. If you don't have dumbbell, you can take a bottle, 2 bottles of water, the medium size, and stand up straight and hold a dumbbell or the 2 bottles of water in each hand. Raise the weight up to eye level and bend your elbows so they form 90 degrees angles. Imagine your arms as football goalposts. Draw your elbows towards each other, keeping your arms parallel. Don't allow the weight to drop past eye level. Open your elbows wide again, returning to starting position. Continue for 15 to 20 more repetitions. There are a lot of workouts that helps you to get round butts and firmer breasts, but among all these exercises, there are very powerful one. That is the one I've just give it to you. If you truly want round butts and firmer breasts, other workouts you may do will not work directly, but this exercise hits direct to the target and will explode your butt and booms. But two is eggs. Eggs are popular choice among bodybuilders due to their nutrient-dense composition. Each egg contains about 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat, as well as lutein, iron, minerals, zeaxanthin, vitamins, and carotenoids. 2017 study suggested that consuming approximately 18 grams of protein from eggs, whole or just white, after a workout can help with muscle growth. Additionally, eating the whole egg is more beneficial for building muscle than egg white. Consequently, eggs should be included in one's diet for building muscle mass. So eating eggs help you to grow round butt and firmer breast faster. Legumes, brown rice, spinach, chicken breast, salmon, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds are all food to eat whilst growing round butt and firmer breast. We offer a variety of related videos designed to support your health, fitness, and beauty journey. Our content includes topics such as effective weight lose strategy, easy fat burning techniques, method to reduce belly fat, dietary tips for maintaining youthful skin, and much more. You can find additional helpful resources in the description and on our channel page. We encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for further updates. And please share your thoughts in the comment section, as your feedback is invaluable in guiding our content creation. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye for now.